trouble. One day, in the yards, Diesel was having trouble. He wanted to pull the trucks, but they wouldn't pull. Then, Diesel pulled too hard. His trucks hit the ground. Oh! Groaned Diesel. Then, he lurched closer to the water. Then, Arthur came. He was shunting his fish. Get me out! Get me out of here this instant! Groaned Diesel. I'm sorry, said Arthur. I am too busy. I have to shunt this truck to the yard. To the fishing depot, said Arthur, giving the trucks a push. Ah! Groaned Diesel. Then he fell into the ocean. He was finally fished out. It had been a couple of days since Diesel had been fished out. Fuel cars were shunted, and Percy came. And he said I was a silly engine. Shut up, Percy, said Diesel. Hey! Said Thomas. Don't be mean to my best friend. Percy puffed. Percy laughed. His trucks were coupled on and raced away. Well, nothing can go wrong, groaned Diesel in an oily voice. Runaway train at 12! Runaway fuel cars at 12 o'clock! Screamed Arthur and banged his trucks into Thomas and Salty. Aye, watch it, me hearties! Whoa, cinders and ashes! You did have to do that. Then some fuel cars came thundering past. Bulstrode was enjoying himself in the ocean. Very including me. We'll see you in